Imagine walking into the room of your dream job. Everyone looks at you. The interviewer smiles and says, "Please introduce yourself." For many people, these 4 simple words create fear, not because they lack knowledge, but because they don't know how to express themselves confidently in English. Today, you will learn how to introduce yourself naturally, professionally, and like a confident English speaker. Your introduction is more than a few sentences. It is your first impression. People often decide whether you seem confident, trustworthy, and professional within the first few moments. That is why learning a strong introduction can completely change the way people see you. Here is the first mistake that many English learners make. They memorize long introductions. When they become nervous, they forget everything. Instead, learn a simple structure that sounds natural. Native speakers usually keep their introduction clear, friendly, and direct. Let's begin with the first sentence. Good morning. It's a pleasure to meet you. My name is David Kahn. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Simple, polite, professional. Now introduce yourself naturally. You can say, "I recently graduated from university and I enjoy learning new skills." Or, "I work as a customer service representative and I'm passionate about helping people." Keep your sentences short and meaningful. Confidence always sounds better than complexity. Most people try to sound impressive. Confident people try to sound genuine. That small difference makes a powerful first impression. Now let's build a professional self-introduction step by step. Start with your name, then briefly mention what you do. Finally, explain one strength that makes you unique. This simple structure sounds confident and organized. Here is an excellent example. Hello, my name is David Kahn. I recently graduated in computer science, and I'm passionate about solving real-world problems through technology. I'm always eager to learn, improve my skills, and work with talented people. Notice something important. This introduction is not long. It is clear, professional, easy to understand. Native English speakers usually prefer simple and meaningful communication instead of complicated vocabulary. Now let's make your English sound even more natural. Instead of saying, "I like learning," say, "I'm passionate about continuous learning." Instead of saying, "I work hard," say, "I'm committed to delivering my best in every situation." These expressions immediately sound more professional. Body language is just as important as your words. Stand comfortably. Maintain eye contact. Smile naturally. Speak slowly and clearly. A calm voice creates confidence before your words even do. Here's another mistake many people make. They try to sound perfect. Don't do that. Focus on being clear, honest, and confident. People remember authenticity far more than perfection. Now imagine that the interviewer asks, "Tell me about yourself." This is your opportunity to tell a short story about who you are, what you do, and where you want to go. Keep your answer focused, positive, and relevant. Here is a professional example. Hello, my name is David Kahn. I recently graduated in business administration. I enjoy solving problems, working with people, and learning new skills. I'm excited about opportunities where I can grow professionally while making a meaningful contribution to the team. Remember these 3 simple rules. Be clear, be confident, be yourself. You do not need difficult words to make a strong impression. People connect with confidence, honesty, and positive energy. The more you practice, the more natural your English becomes. Speak aloud, record your voice, listen carefully, improve one sentence every day. Small daily improvements create remarkable confidence over time. Every confident speaker was once a beginner. The difference is simple. They never stopped practicing. Your English does not have to be perfect. It only needs to become better than yesterday. A great introduction is not about using impressive words. It is about showing confidence, clarity, and authenticity. When you introduce yourself with a calm voice, positive body language, and a genuine smile, people remember you long after the conversation ends. Practice this structure every day. Soon, introducing yourself in English will feel as natural as speaking in your own language. Thank you for watching. If this lesson helped you speak English more confidently, subscribe to Mind English for more advanced English listening practice, real-life communication skills, and professional English lessons. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build, one conversation at a time.